Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of our Linux learning series. If you are a student, programmer, or simply curious about Linux, this series is for you. In today's video, we will learn the most basic Linux commands that every beginner should know. I will explain what each command does, how to use it, and show its output with practical examples. Let's get started. You can just open your terminal. Here I have opened terminal in Windows. I just installed WSL in my system, which stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. Even you can also download it in command prompt. Just you have to type WSL minus minus install, which installs WSL software in your system. Then you want to install Ubuntu from your Microsoft stores. After downloading it, asks some credentials like password, username, etc. Then this window automatically appears. So here you can practice your Linux commands through Windows. Yeah, the first command is like pwd, which means print working directory. Pwd gives the current directory. First of all, what is directory? A directory is simply another name for a folder. What does pwd command do? The pwd command tells you your current location in the Linux file system, as simple as it is. And the next command is ls. This ls command lists all files and folders in the current directory. In this directory, we have two folders, that is two files, sorry, demo and documents. This Linux stores everything as files or directories. ls lets you see what exists in your current location. Next command is cd, which stands for change directory, which is used to move from one directory to another. The syntax is cd followed by directory name, like you can give cd documents. It changes the current directory to documents. Documents is a file inside the home directory. We can also give cd space dot dot, which means a parent directory. The control goes to a parent directory. Now suppose you are in a document, then you have to come to home directory. Then you should type cd, this symbol, which comes to an home directory. This is one command. Next command is mkdir, means make directory, which creates a new folder. The syntax for this command is mkdir followed by name of the directory. So we can give mkdir space like Linux Linux practice. Then it creates a new directory. To check, we can give ls list. See the Linux practice directory is created. That is another command which is used to create an empty file. The syntax is ch followed by name. So like node.txt, it creates a new file and give ls. There is a node.txt file created. To print the content inside the node.txt file, you can use cat. Cat is another command. Cat followed by file name. It prints, sorry, cat node.txt. There is nothing stored in node.txt file, so it prints empty. So to give some text inside that file, we can use echo. Echo space inside the double quotes. You can write like hello Linux and greater than nodes.txt. Then this hello txt text will be stored inside the file. Now we can print cat. node.txt. See, this prints the content inside the file. As I already told, echo echo is also a command. In front of echo, insert the double quotes if you write any text like Linux is good, something. If you press enter, it prints text on the screen. So this is one of the useful commands. If you want to delete the file, you can just there's a command like rm followed by file name. It removes the file from the directory. So to check, we can give ls command. So the file name will be is erased. There is a command called clear. If we enter, the terminal will be cleared. If we type history, it shows the previously executed commands. These are the previously executed commands. This is one of the useful command. There is a command called date, which shows the current system date and time. One of the useful commands is man. It means manual. You can type man and followed by ls. What it do is it displays the official documentation for Linux commands, like what are all the options we can use in front of ls and everything. This helps as a guide to execute the commands. You can press Q to exit from that window. So these are some commands we learned in this session, and the summary of this session will be given in the description box. Congratulations, you have learned some basic Linux commands. Practice these commands daily to become comfortable using the Linux terminal. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you'll never miss new uploaded video. Happy learning.